What inspired you to join the hackathon?
Well, I'm a student and I use ChatGPT every day as a part of my workflow. I heard the people from OpenAI were coming to teach you how to build custom GPTs, so that sort of interested me in how I can use ChatGPT for my own use cases.
The workshop did prove to be very useful to be able to understand how ChatGPT works, especially the education license which we were just given helps us to create our own ChatGPTs, which is fantastic for me.
What aspect of custom GPT are you most excited to explore?
I struggle with time management, and so many students do, so I think organizing my schedule would be a good option.
As an economist, I'm used to seeing a lot of data, and the tedious process is that I need to figure out what is really happening, and I think ChatGPT can do that on its own.
I would say personally, the deep research in general, granted in Europe, is not accessible as of right now, but during the hackathon I was able to play around with some of the custom GPTs I could do with my own research.
If you could create a custom GPT to solve one problem, what would it be?
I think if it's like a personal assistant helping me for exam preparation, doing short MCQs, as most of our exams are like that, would be also so helpful.
Understanding data and being able to tell me what I could do with it is a big thing.
Everything we do is project-based, so I would say, I guess, streamlining the process of prototyping, researching. If there was a way to have, this integrated more easily, that would be super, super helpful.
How could AI change the way you collaborate with your classmates or professors?
There are some classes where the professors are so fast in explaining, so I think just asking AI about any question that comes up to your mind and keep up with that pace.
Integrating ChatGPT more into, let's say, GitHub or something like that would be amazing.
I think AI is most useful because it provides a framework for others to build off of, not just creating itself. When it provides a framework for others to draw inspiration from, I think that's where AI is at its best.
I think it's you being innovative in how you use it is truly the answer. You can use it in a multitude of ways, and with the education license now, again, in a lot of ways it would help.
The future of AI isn't just about technology, it's about the people who use it. What will you build? Join the next GPT Hackathon.